Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. Today's video is all about amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Usually proteins are the polymers and these are made up of amino acids. So proteins are the polymer unit and amino acids are the monomer units. So the amino acids are the building blocks of the proteins. These are 20 in number and they are classified as essential amino acids, semi-essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids. Generally, this classification is done on the basis whether these amino acids are synthesized in our body or not. So, essential amino acids are those amino acids which are not synthesized in our body and we require them for our body for growth and development, and we can get them from our diet and from outside the body. Next, semi-essential amino acids. These amino acids synthesized if some particular essential amino acid is present, so they can synthesize by our body. Non-essential amino acids, generally they are synthesized in our body and we don't require them from outsides, as our body can synthesize easily in according to the need. So this is the classification, that is essential amino acid, semi-essential amino acid and non-essential amino acids. Generally, it is not easy to learn all the names of these amino acids, as these are 20 in numbers. These are the 20 amino acids. The E word stands for essential, SE stands for semi-essential, and rest ones are non-essential amino acids. So, first one is phenylalanine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, valine, threonine, tryptophan. These are essential amino acids. Histidine, arginine are semi-essential amino acids, and rest one are non-essential, that is serine, proline, alanine, tyrosine, glutamine, asparagine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. And it is not easy to learn all these 20 names and their classification also, which one is essential and which one is non-essential. But with the help of trick, we can learn this name very easily. So, here is the trick. This is the trick, that is लीला को पीवीटी पास करने पर HMT दी. लीला को पीवीटी पास करने पर HMT दी. In which लीला, L word stands for leucine, I for isoleucine, L for lysine, A for arginine. Next, PVT, P for phenylalanine, V for valine, T for threonine. Next, HMT, H for histidine, M for methionine and T for tryptophan. So, this pink color shown that these amino acids are essential amino acids. And this color and these amino acids are semi-essential amino acids. With the help of this trick, we can learn the name of those amino acids which are essential and semi-essential. So, it become very easy to learn this name. You just have to learn this line, that is लीला को पीवीटी पास करने पर HMT दी. लीला, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, arginine, PVT, phenylalanine, valine, threonine, HMT, histidine, methionine and tryptophan. This trick will help you to remember the names of amino acid, especially the essential ones, though their names are very important with respect to the exam point of view. Generally, question arises from the essential amino acids. In the question, they can ask the name of essential amino acids. In the 4 option, they will give you the name, and among 4, 3 ones are non-essential and semi-essential, and 1 can be the essential one. So if you know the names of essential amino acids, you can easily attempt that question. And if you know this trick also, then you can also easily attempt that question. That just you have to remember this. लीला को PVT पास करने पर HMT D. ये if you remember this trick, you can easily attempt the question regards the name and classification of amino acid, that is which one is essential amino acid and which one is semi-essential amino acid and which one is non-essential amino acids. You can easily attempt those questions. You can make your own tricks to remember these names, because it become very easy to memorize the names with the help of the trick. As the syllabus is very vast and so many names we have to remember, so it is not easy to memorize all the names, but with the help of trick and diagram we can easily remember and memorize the names. So you can make your own trick also. So in this video I have just told you only one trick, that is about amino acids name with respect to the classification, that is essential one and the semi-essential one. In the next video, I will come with new tricks to help you in your exam preparation. So, please like, share my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and for helpful tricks, for more new tricks, so that you can enhance your medical exam preparation. Thank you so much.